In this quick demo, I'll show you how to import product tags from your WooCommerce store straight into Odoo, effortlessly and accurately. Let's start by looking at the tags in WooCommerce. First, head over to your WooCommerce dashboard. In the left menu, scroll down and click Products. Under that, select Tags. Here you'll see all existing tags. In our case, there are 21 tags already set up. Want to add a new one? Just fill in the name, slug, and description, then click Add New Tag. Simple as that. Now let's bring those tags into Odoo. Open your Odoo instance. From the Home menu, go to the WooCommerce connector module. As you can see, there are currently 0 tags in Odoo. To import them, go to Instances. Choose the right instance. Under Operation Type, set the direction to WooCommerce to Odoo. For import type, select Import Tags. Choose Import All, then click Execute. The system queues the job and runs the sync. Once it's done, go back to the dashboard. And there it is. 21 tags successfully imported from WooCommerce to Odoo. Click on tags to view them all inside your Odoo system, fully synced and ready to go. If you found this demo helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides like this one. Thanks for watching.